Are you looking for the best crypto airdrops that could boost your portfolio without spending a single dollar? If yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates on free crypto opportunities and investment tips. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most promising airdrops in the crypto world, opportunities that can reward early users with real value. If you're serious about growing your crypto assets, understanding how to claim these airdrops and which projects to watch is essential. What exactly is a crypto airdrop? A crypto airdrop is a distribution of tokens or coins for free, usually by blockchain projects looking to expand their user base, reward early supporters, or decentralize ownership. Airdrops can vary in size and value, but the idea is simple. Engage with a project, complete certain tasks, or simply hold a token, and you can receive free cryptocurrency. For many investors, airdrops have been the starting point for earning substantial returns, sometimes turning small efforts into significant gains. Now, let's explore some of the best crypto airdrops you should be paying attention to in 2025 and beyond. First on the list is Arbitrum, one of the leading Layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum. Arbitrum has previously rewarded early adopters who interacted with its network, whether by bridging assets from Ethereum or using decentralized applications. The value of these airdrops has historically been substantial, and participating early in the ecosystem increases your chances of qualifying for future distributions. Staying active, bridging assets, and using the network is the key to being eligible. Second, we have Optimism, another Ethereum Layer 2 solution designed to reduce transaction costs and increase speed. Optimism airdrops are known for rewarding users who actively participate in the ecosystem, such as trading, providing liquidity, or using specific decentralized applications. What makes Optimism unique is its transparency. They often publish clear eligibility criteria, making it easier for users to position themselves to claim free tokens. Engaging with their ecosystem and following official channels is essential for anyone looking to benefit from these airdrops. Third, consider ZKSYNC, a zero-knowledge rollup solution that improves Ethereum transaction efficiency. ZKSYNC airdrops are highly anticipated because they reward testnet and mainnet users who interact with the platform. This can include sending transactions, bridging assets, or using DeFi applications. Early participation and consistent engagement are critical, as ZKSYNC tends to reward active community members. Being part of the ZKSYNC ecosystem now could potentially result in receiving tokens that might increase in value as the platform grows. Fourth, Layer 0 offers promising airdrops for users involved in cross-chain transactions and interactions. Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol that connects multiple blockchains, and its airdrops often reward those who explore and utilize its multi-chain ecosystem. Users who provide liquidity, bridge assets, or engage in cross-chain decentralized applications are more likely to qualify. For investors looking to expand their crypto knowledge and earn free tokens, Layer 0 represents a valuable opportunity. Fifth, StarkNet is a Layer 2 solution using zero-knowledge proofs to enhance Ethereum scalability. Their airdrops reward users who engage with the network, deploy smart contracts, or participate in associated projects. StarkNet has been actively growing its community, and those who participate early have the best chance of receiving airdrops. Beyond the immediate reward, involvement with StarkNet positions you strategically in one of the most promising blockchain ecosystems. While these airdrops are enticing, it's crucial to approach them with caution. The crypto space does have scams that mimic legitimate airdrops, so always verify information through official channels. Never share your private keys, and avoid sending any crypto to claim a free airdrop. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for such sensitive information. Using trusted wallets and documenting your engagement with projects can significantly improve your chances of qualifying for rewards. To maximize your airdrop earnings, diversify your interactions across multiple blockchain projects, Participate in testnets, provide liquidity to decentralized finance protocols, and stay engaged with community announcements. Some projects also reward users for participating in social campaigns, bug reporting, or using their applications. Think of airdrops not just as free money, but as an investment of your time and a learning opportunity. By understanding the ecosystems and actively participating, you can set yourself up for both immediate and long-term gains. The best crypto airdrops, including Arbitrum, Optimism, ZKSYNC, Layer 0, and StarkNet, offer incredible opportunities for anyone willing to engage early. Success in crypto airdrops isn't just about luck, it's about strategy, consistent participation, and staying informed. By positioning yourself now, you could receive tokens that grow significantly in value, helping you build a stronger crypto portfolio for the future. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on the best crypto opportunities, investment strategies, and insider tips. Join our community at Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where we uncover hidden opportunities in the crypto world and guide you step by step to potential wealth-building strategies. Start exploring these airdrops today and take the first step toward securing your place in the next wave of crypto success.